Hello? It's Rufio. This song is a fucking banger. I was like sitting there just like listening to it. I was like, yes. Yes, like why don't I play this music more often? Probably because it's so, it catches my attention and that's a little distracting. Hey, Rossi, what's up? Oh, God, that was a good song. Really feeling that song. We should go again. We should play it again. Maybe some other time in the stream. I don't want to overdo it. What up, yo? What up, yo? Yeah, Rossi, that's totally good. We never got yours the other day, so that's great. Share it in the chat. Pushing to GitHub has been kicking your ass today, huh, Ryan? Well, let me know if there's anything I can do to help. Welcome everyone. Yeah, I feel like we should play that song again. What do we think? Ugh, this one's not as cool, so I don't know. I mean, it's decent, but like the other one was like epic. You know what I'm saying? Meanwhile, I'm gonna drink my lukewarm tea. So. Is this music too loud? You think you have something set up wrong from when you're pushing to GitHub like 6 months ago. Okay. Is it giving you any error codes? Here we go. Hey, Moonpix. I mean, I saw what you wrote, Rascal. I haven't like worked on it again, but I will. And I sent what you wrote to the people, the actual engineers that work on AppMap, because apparently they were like, "Oh, I'm so sorry, we left you to die." And I'm like, "No, it's fine. It's just the process." Hi, Nene. Hi, Scubin. Scubin. Thanks, Sullivan. It's kind of intense, but you know, we'll go with it. Or we have been, I guess. We have been going with it. Fuck it. We're going back to the first song. I really liked it. I really liked it. Oh, okay. Alright. Hey Shogo, hey Kamo. When you use the final command git push -u origin main, you get an error message and it only lets you push to master instead. So you may have not changed your master or like your overall branch. It might be on master still. Such a weird niche CSS magic bug, just your luck to run into it. And a good thing for them to know, I suppose. Hey Nixon, thanks for the follow. Uh-oh. Did you know? I like reconfigured everything. I made the chat bigger. Now you can't see our little notifications. You can see our name. Yeah, it's really tiny, but we can see it all. Initially set up GitHub with VS Code, no problem. But now, can't remember any remote command and didn't write it down. Yeah, try what Rascal and VD Min are saying. I agree with Rascal, that's what I was thinking it was. Because it will have you change your branch to main a lot of times, but if you never change it to main, then your main branch is master. Alright, y'all. You have questions that you don't want me to miss? Exclamation point ask. I changed it from exclamation point questions because that was confusing. Exclamation point ask. And I for sure will not miss it. Yo, I'll sediment in my tea settle on the bottom. Y'all like lukewarm tea? I don't have that command, damn it. All my commands are in the about section though. I thought I had all the ones I need to. I'll have to make that one, Dan. Okay, I had the music turned on so low I didn't even get to hear the awesome song again. It's fine. I'm a little bitter, so we're skipping this one. You have to do the full git push the first time. When the -u origin main, it remembers. If not, it tells you a command to run. And the message. Where is the music? Excuse it. Am I just... Oh, I'm just deaf. Okay, good for me. Okay. When you do git branch -a, it shows remotes origin main. Weird. Let me look at what you said originally. Huh. Weird. Because you said that it's set up with the main. What if you try doing it to master? Hey, dumpster dev. Or yeah, Lego Rossi says. Okay. How's everyone doing today? Exclamation point ask if you want to ask me anything. The chat isn't too wild right now, so I'll probably see it in chat as well. How goes it? It's pretty... How do I say your name? Chuddy? Chitty. It's going pretty well. How's it for you? Using VS Code's connection to GitHub, you are bypassing terminal. Oh, interesting. You can push to master, but then you have to do a pull request on GitHub to merge. You know, I feel like I did that on one of my many iterations of my Paiute project, or my dictionary project. And I just ended up making a bunch of pull requests, so... Chatty Bird. You know, you can change your name if you want to. I think you can change after like a month or two of being on Twitch. Chatty. How long have I been doing Codewars? Well, like, since like a year ago, but like... off and on, I'd say. How is my Codewars repo organized? Good question. Let's go to my actual Codewars repo. I mean, there was the one I was doing last time, but that was one I made for the purposes of demonstration. So that's the one I have open, but let's open... There it is. So, I have them organized by date, as you see. I'll say coding challenge, and then the year, the month, the day. And then I'll have like an app.js file within it where I will... Love this for me. This is a real thing I did, y'all. Where I do several iterations and then push it several times. Manage to push your Codewars to GitHub by using git branch -m master main, but don't know if that was permanent quick or quick fix. I know. Anyone know if that was a permanent quick or... Permanent fix or quick fix? I did not say words well there. GitHub, git branch. So it probably worked then, huh, Ryan? Had Git tell you a couple times that you're out of sync with GitHub and tell me to pull. So you followed its suggestion, step was fixed, and I could push it. That's what I did last time, if you remember. Any other questions about how I organize my beautiful Codewars? I have now I have 3 different repos on GitHub, actually. One is coding challenges. One is Mega Summer Daily, because we had Mega Summer Daily. And then the third one's Code Baddies from last stream. So. I think it's fixed, but you don't know until you make a new repo. Well, Well, I hope it's fixed. Who wants to communicate with sound waves when we can talk to each other in code? Go, post request. Ah, bro. I got an update request in my Paiute dictionary. Hey, Z, thanks for following. That is just broken AF. So broken. So broken, wow. ZPRDZ. How do you say that? Zipperts. They go through put, I believe, Dan. Post is a create request. Yeah. You want the default branch to be main when you create a new GitHub repo? It depends on your preference. They tried to change it to main after the Black Lives Matter movement really took off, just because master has some negative connotations. But for me, it's a lot more effort, so I just go with master. You did it, Chatty? Yeah, I know you could change your name because I did it. I had a different name when I first got on Twitch, and I was like, I hate this name, and then Hello, it's Rufio was born. So your guess was wrong. Wait, what was your guess, BD? Chetty, chatty, chitty. Chitty's what I said. Chitty sounds a lot like shitty though, so it's probably a good thing that is not chitty. You're drunk in Mexico trying to figure things out. Retweet, aren't we all? Drunk in Mexico trying to figure things out. Chitty bang bang. Oh my god, the connotations of that now. Thank you. And look, I put it above. I spent like an hour last time trying to make it so you could see the music that I was playing on Spotify. So, your previous name was Dan Can Do TV, but after a horrible incident, several years of recovery, and an epiphany by a lake at sunset. Holy fuck, this sounds like a novel. What's next? Then when I opened it up, when I opened Streamlabs up, it was all broken. My Spotify thing was broken. I was like, fuck, I spent like an hour, and I fixed it. It was okay. Don't worry. It's all good. Okay. Should we do it? Should I be pushing? I probably should push all new Codewars to my actual Codewars repo, which is very erratic dates. Look, I have some from February though, so there's that. Alright, let's do it. Again, let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help. I was like, what am I going to stream about today? I'm like, probably my normal thing, but that's significantly more boring than what I've been doing, huh? I still need to do it though. So, yeah, this is the type of thing I would say to myself, y'all. Should we see if I say some other things? No, this is boring. Hello? What the fuck? Okay. There it is. Wow. See, I did explanations for myself, whatnot. Normal's fine, so learn something new. Glad to hear that. I showed it very briefly. It's very special looking, so I'm glad to hear that. Le Bacon. I always thought it was Le Bacon. I like that better. Le Bacon. Yeah, Alt-Z is real something. Really something. Alright, here is my, what's it called? My, Anki. I don't stay up to date on it. So you can see what this looks like. Sorry. Yeah, but, like, you know, it was a little bit, it's a, what's it called? It's, a trial, Dan. Mama raised me not to show my Anki till at least the third date. Like how I do explanation of the code, you find yourself just trying to solve it and skipping that part. Yeah, it's because I don't understand what's happening, so that's what I do. Because I'm like, what the fuck? And so I just have to try and explain it to myself. And a lot of times I'll write something where I'm like, apparently this is what you do, but I don't fucking get it. And like move on with my life. So anyway, so this is this is my Anki. I always feel embarrassed showing this, like I said. But I have like the full stack web dev. I have backend CSS. Default was the first thing I made when I first made this. Then I have Git, and then I have HTML, and then I have my interview deck where I have behavioral and technical, and then I have JavaScript specifically. I have learning how to learn, and I got some Python up in here. So Lebacon. Wow. Oh my god. It was long in the relationship. Lol. I love it. Okay. Anyway, so that's my Anki. Should I look at it more? Yeah, but do your Anki. Don't be me. Give all your shit dumped into one Anki. Alright. I've had officially, I think, like 3 or 4 job interviews. Yeah, something like that. Not use Anki. Looks interesting. You do have some physical flashcards. Well, those are always great. Anki's, what it has going for it is this algorithmic. Like, it has an algorithm that shows you specifically, like, how many times a day you should see. I don't know, something like that. So, alright. Let's go for it. CC 2022 4.7. Great. App.js. And then the Codewars today is one that Orase picked. There we go. We got it twice. Hell yeah. Nice. 8Q. I'm going to copy that, baby. Hey, y'all, remind me to actually, like, put it in the system today, because I forgot last time, so. Alright. Oh, we should start this. Take an array and remove every second element from the array. Always keep the first element and start removing with the next element. Keep, remove, keep. None of the arrays will be empty, so you don't have to worry about that. To make it so it wraps Ferrovax, Alt-Z. You separate your Ankis into decks. JS, CSS, Codewars. Finally started using it this week after writing 10,000 questions in a notebook. Holy shit. You do it when you're waiting in lines or stuff? Great. Props. Alright. Scubin, that's how I'm feeling about this. What confused me on this one was thinking if you changed the array, it would mess up the indexes. Oh, I see. I feel like that's like smart, and I wouldn't have thought about that because I'm not quite there. Lol. Okay. Alright, parameters. They told us no arrays will be empty. Cool. Doesn't matter if they are special characters or not, since they may be removed, etc. If we change the array, will it mess up indices? Nah? Probably not. Should return an array with every other element starting with number 1. That means that it will be all oh my god, all odd numbers. I feel like that might be an important thing with Jigger. Would I mind explaining this part of my process a little? Was this a teaching method? Yeah, Leon showed it to us. when we started getting ready for, started getting ready for the hunt, not anywhere near the hunt, but basically, if you're in a coding interview, thanks, Kama. If you're in a coding interview, they're going to be like, here you go. And you don't want to just be like, okay, it's done. You know, like, that's not engaging. That's not interesting. So the idea of it is to, like, engage with your interviewer and whatnot. So when I'm doing this, you see I'm talking to you the whole time. That's intentional because I want you to stay engaged. Mostly because you're my viewers, but also because that's what you want to do with your interviewers. So, like, and then it also just helps you, like, have a structured process for completing it. So, like, what are your parameters that allows you to check out edge cases? Edge cases being like, are there any special things you have to take into account when you're coding it? And then you want to know what you're returning. You want to know what your examples are, or you want to have some examples so you can test it. And then your pseudocode, I think Leon may have told you this already, but you should always be pseudocoding before you code. Do I most of the time? No, but I do here. Just like walk through what you have to do before you actually code it. So, P, parameters, R, return, E, examples, P, hey Chen, thanks for the follow, pseudocode. So that's what that is. Any other questions about it before we go on? I don't know what it is with my neck. Ouch. I'm glad to hear it. Alright. So we want 3 examples. We'll say if given. Hold up. So it shouldn't matter if it's a string or anything. It should just be an element. So we could do 1, 2, 3, fish sticks, because, yeah, 4, 3, 3. Okay, I thought I clicked 4, but here we are. What am I using to stream? Streamlabs. I tried to do Twitch Studio at first, and then when I upgraded to Windows 11, it was like, I can't do Windows 11, motherfucker! And so here I am on Streamlabs. So, this should return 1, fish, and 3, I think. Alright, cool. That's our first example. Bitch, I said comment, please. Hello. Okay. If we are given 9, 9, 99, 999, and 3, I keep trying to click 4 and it keeps being 3, so that's cool. You've not heard very good stories from people with Windows 11. I honestly don't have many complaints. The only big complaint is that, like, you see my taskbar, often my windows will go, like, behind it, and that's my biggest problem. So, okay. So this one should return 9. Hello. 9, 99. And 3, if given Rufio is, oops, comma, the best, yup, it should give us Rufio, the yup. I love it. You didn't solve your problem, woof. Hi everyone, hey Ghibli. Makes sense that talking out loud would be good practice for coding interviews. Happy to be one of my many human rubber duckies. Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm missing. Oh, thank you. Thanks. Error. Failed to push some refs. Okay, so is it saying because it Ryan, is it saying it because your remote repo is ahead of it, or what is it saying beyond that? All the right-click windows are hidden behind a new helpful window. What? This looks fine. You can't see me doing that. I am solving a coding challenge, Lars. Yes. No spoilers, y'all. I will ask for them if I'm failing. The only other error message is source ref spec main does not match any. And you're sure it's connected to a remote repo? What's your git status say? Do you have the file staged? Learned a lesson from 8 and 8.1. You may correct the taskbar and align it left. Yeah. They're pushing you, but do not lock you in. So nice. Alright. Pseudocode. So then we want to say make a function that takes in an array. We're going to do that first. Function every other array. This is like tickling my arm. It's cool, whatever. Then I stopped talking and I heard the guitar and then I got distracted. Forgive me. I'm going to turn off the sound for a second so I can focus. Take an array and remove every second element from the array. I'm tempted to try this with what Rossi said. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but we're going to try it. So I'm going to say make a for loop where I can grab index number. Then I want to say if index number is even, pop that shit off. Also, what do we do about 0? Shit, never mind. If it is odd, because we start with 0, remember? I don't think 0 is anything, is it? It is even? So, but we start with 0, so I want to get rid of every odd number. Right. It is even, apparently. Scam. Return new array. I just don't think, I feel like it's a neutral. It is neither odd or even, you know? You know what I'm saying? It is, I don't know, a little thinky. Getting thinky with it. Yeah. Alright, let's see if this works. Will it? Probably not, but that's okay. Yeah, wait a second. For I equals 0, I is less than array dot length, maybe. I always get really confused with that, I'll be honest with you, so that's cool. Thanks for helping, R3. The way you see it, it doesn't have a remainder, it's even, but you're not a mathematician. Alright, I see how it is. Hey Studio, thanks for the follow. Okay, yeah, so then I need to say if I mod, how do I do it if it's odd? I mod 2 equals 0 is even. Would it just be the same thing but not equal 0? Like I mod 2 equals 0, not equals is 1. Okay. But do both work? If that is the case, then wait a second. Yeah, I think this is what I want to do, except for the filter function. Don't give me spoilers yet. If I can't figure this out, I will. I can't remember how to use it. I used it a couple days ago, but I forgot how to use it. How do you use it? Hey, Danbo, we just solving a coding challenge and struggling just a little bit. What's wrong, baby? You just want to? If that is the case, then say array. Oh, actually, this probably has to be array. This one has to be array I. Hey, Uzi. Thanks for the follow, Uzi. Filter. Item index. Item index. Return condition. Can you step through the for loop with +2 increments starting with 0? Y'all thinking like high level thoughts. All right. But wouldn't I want the I here, or the array I, so I can get rid of it or not? You know what? What if we do this? Wait a second. Wait. Let new array new array maybe else. Actually, I don't know if we need an else. This is what you did? I'm trying to figure out if I need a second condition. Uh-oh. What is it, baby? Oh, fine. It wants me to have a second condition. Rude. Okay. Not push. I don't know what I should put here. What do I put in the second condition? Because I don't care. Unless I just don't do a ternary. What if I just don't do a ternary? I think I don't have to put the second half. Rude. That's what I'm going to do. If then boom, baby. I think this may work. So let's say every other, and then I got a bunch of these up in here. And then this should yield this one. And then this one. And that should yield. Oh, y'all got ads? I think y'all did get ads. It's okay, I'm just gonna finish this and then I'll stop, okay? We're gonna grab. No ads? Oh, some people have ads. Okay. Oh. Rufio the Yup. Okay, we're gonna pause for a second. For those of you who don't have ads, how you doing? It's kind of a weird song, huh? It's good to hear, Baroque hype man. Do you like Baroque music a lot? Are you hyped about it? When I played piano, Baroque music was my favorite music to play. It's pretty bomb. Dev me loading. Played violin. Nice. I played Baroque music and I was like, parents, don't you fucking love this? And they're like, nah, because it isn't church music, bitch. I'm like, it's a piano, it's an instrument. You don't always have to play church music. Nah, that's the reason they paid for lessons. No joke. Yay. Oh, it's a Key and Peele reference? Alright. I used to watch Key and Peele quite a bit. It was church music? Oh. That's what I should have said. Too bad 13-year-old me wasn't like, it is church. It was at one point church music. Vivaldi, Handel, Telemann, Bach, Pachelbel? Churches were the clubs that would get the folks lit. Praise! Like, listening to you. Oh my goodness. Is Baroque music DMCA free? Well, I'm singing classical for 12 hours. We're gonna play that briefly just to make a point, okay? Hold up. They're not DMC free. The ones on this are, though. Is that what they do in churches? They listen to this music and they're like, is that what they do? This is altered Baroque. Oh, damn. Well, I can find any other DMC free one, so give me a break, bull. You should give beer to go to church and a beer when you left. That's my kind of church. Except I hate beer. Yuck. Ew. Priest be like, top 10 Baroque drops coming up. Hey, this is your DJ tonight. DJ Priest Churchman. How we doing tonight? Pretty good? Alright, Mozart, play that violin, baby. Start twerking to some work.
Wow, 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 wow.
Hey, guys. DJ Khaled would have suffered. DJ Khaled if they're... No. Bishop Priestman! Thank you. DJ Priest Churchman on the ones and twos. You know, I could get down behind like a church where you just in the back and you just like to like violin music. Except this is boring, this music. Wait a second, we're gonna skip into like 2 hours. Just really slow. I'm feeling this song. Hell yeah. I didn't, Chatty. We were waiting for the ad to be over. Khaled would have gathered all the top-tier Baroque composers and pop and yell, another one, about 7. Another one. Okay, yeah. Another one. 37 times. Don't talk about your boy Mozart. He's a big thing around here. I wasn't shitting on Mozart. I was just saying Mozart was the one who was playing this banger classical music, right? Okay. What a pleasant song that we're ending. Cool. Oh, well, you know what? We moved to, like, classical, okay? Well, I don't know what Bach is. Who was the one that wrote dun 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 dun? Who was that one? That's some music I could dance to. Dun 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 dun. You're formerly a music history teacher? Beethoven. Thank you. Is Beethoven broke? You know, I did learn some of this once. I used to play the flute and shit, but wiped from my brain. Wait, what is the DALI 2 technology? Beethoven has better hits than the ones they throw you in public. Not wrong. Wait, I don't know what it is. Tell me what it is at us. Technically, we're not supposed to be on a break, but we had a dance party, so... And almost... Oh, someone asked what the timer's for. It's for studying. Yeah. Bach's Fugue in G minor is a straight up banger. Fuck, I don't think I can listen to it, though. Wait, is this something I can listen to at us? Or watch? Beethoven's string quartet music demolished anything you've heard. Shh, baby, shh. Oh, actually, this is not music. We can play this. There we go. Let me pause this music I'm actually feeling. What is it?
It is April 7th, 2022, and you're watching The Code Report. Machine intelligence is the last invention humanity will ever need to make. AI has already made many jobs obsolete and is well on its way to replacing pilots, doctors, soldiers, and of course us programmers. One of the last bastions of humanity is art, or so we thought. As of yesterday, digital artists and designers have been put on notice. OpenAI, the team behind GPT-3, just announced DALL-E 2, a neural network that can turn natural language into images, and it's some of the wildest technology you've ever seen. Imagine I gave you a requirement to draw something redonkulous, like a bowl of soup that looks like a monster spray painted on a wall. DALL-E can create realistic, novel images that have never been seen before from a simple text prompt like that. If we tweak the request a little bit, asking it to look like plasticine, we get totally different results. We can ask it for pencil drawings, styles inspired by famous artists, photorealistic renderings, and really anything you can imagine because the AI is built on top of 40,000 years of human artwork, going all the way back to cave drawings. This tool is not open to the public yet, but the OpenAI team was nice enough to generate a ship sailing through a sea of fire for me. In addition to unique image generation, it can also replace things in existing images, like when you need to insert your ex-girlfriend into an Instagram photo. It can also take an image as an input, then create a bunch of different variations with different styles and angles. Pretty terrifying, I mean awesome, but how does this thing actually work? Well, it's based on GPT-3, the same model that powers things like GitHub Copilot for writing code. It's trained on a massive collection of images with labeled text descriptions. Most importantly, it understands how different objects in an image relate to each other, like how a panda relates to a skateboard relates to Santa Monica. There's a paper titled Hierarchical Text Conditional Image Generation with Clip Latents, if you want to get into the finer details. But basically, it's a decoder or transformer that uses a process called diffusion, which starts with a pattern of random pixels that are gradually moved around until they satisfy the text input. To make high-quality images, it generates 512 different possible outcomes outcomes, then
Wow.
uses a neural network called CLIP to predict human aesthetic judgments by ranking the results and rejecting the ones that don't look good. Pretty amazing, and it feels like one step closer to artificial general intelligence. But what does a tool like this mean for the world? Here are my initial thoughts. This could put a big dent into businesses like iStock and Shutterstock if everybody can just create their own original stock photography. Photoshop as a tool might become way less important because this is essentially an automatic Photoshop. Now, when it comes to NFTs, which are already oversaturated, someone could instantly flood the market with tons of unique art. How about website and logo design? You can just pick your favorite website or logo, then generate a million different unique variations. Realistically though, it's not going to replace designers anytime soon. In fact, it should be a very useful tool for them, like Copilot is for programmers. The big question though is, what does it mean for memes? I think memes will be safe for the time being. I can also imagine a lot of potential for abuse with a tool like this by creating explicit or offensive content. Now, I have to be real with you guys. This report is very troubling for me personally because the writing is on the wall. AGI is not far away. Now that machines can clone voices, write code, and make art, it has all the skills to take my job. Damn it.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
This has been the Code Report. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one, maybe.
That's fucking cool. Alright, what have y'all been saying? Can't wait to get a Baymax and never go to doctor again. Holy
Wow, 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 wow.
Exactly. Sheaves with the sweater and beret. Only 512 rookies. What is AGI, y'all? Yo, so like when they started like saying what that was, I was just like, you know, just kind of like eye roll, and then like they got into it more, and I was like, actually, this is fucking cool. Why is National Burrito Day canceled on Google? Well, I don't know. Let's revolution. Artificial general intelligence, which is different than artificial specific intelligence. Doctors are the most influential working group. They will outlaw AI before letting it take their jobs. I don't know, because I think corporate greed runs even stronger than that. If they can like pass a job onto a robot without having to pay it $350,000 a year, they will. Take your money. Love to use it when it comes out. Yeah, me too, actually. How did this person get to use it? Jealous. Our break is over. Why was that so fast? It was really fast. Okay. I guess we should turn on the music again, huh? Turn on the music. Please don't stop the music. Okay, so copy this. Thanks. Hey, Cogdorn. Thanks for the follow. I love it. That took me a little bit though. Hello? Where are my pages? Uh-oh, if I move this, this is bad things will happen. I'm sorry. Wait a second. Bad things are happening. Yikes. Okay, we good. Okay. Now that I'm done doing that, well, fuck, I think I got it the wrong way. I think I did the exact opposite of what I was supposed to do. I don't know, Griffith. So let me see. All right, we got the answer, but I'm feeling questions. Wow, y'all, I can't believe I got the answer. After a year of sake, I can't believe it. Exactly. Thank you, thank you. I just want to thank all of y'all for being here today. You've been great, rubber ducks. I seriously can't remember I actually got that. What did I say? Remember?
Wow,
Can't
wow, wow,
believe.
wow, wow.
Exactly. Can't believe I actually got that. How is language hard? Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. I was gonna add some more sound redemptions. Alright, y'all. How did you solve it? More funner sounds. Alright. Cool, cool, cool. A prod is for testing. Thanks for following. Array.filter. Array.filter. Hold up. Alright, so you have to have item in there as like a placeholder, but you don't need to use it, it looks like. Then you return index mod 2 equals 0. That is a lot faster. Variation of what I did. Oh, be careful, Kamo. Appreciate you hanging, but be careful. Be diligent. If returned true, then item is included in the resulting array. Alright, y'all. So do you remember how I had to change this? Why? So, let's go through this. We want this to take out every other item in the array, but starting with like the second item in the array. So, we're going to make a function that takes in an array. We're going to make a new empty array. Then using a for loop, starting with I equals 0, I is less than array.length. Yo, I do that, but I don't know why. Why do I do that? Why is it array.length? Please let me know. And then you increment by 1. So you're going through the loop where you're grabbing each element, and you're saying if, or that index, you're like, of each element. If that index is even, then push it. Oh no, that makes sense. Never mind. Where did I get the odd? Chatting at stoplights, right on. Array.length is the max number of times to repeat. I see. Why don't I increment by 2? Honestly, because this is how it's done most of the time, and I'm not a creative thinker, so. Because you start at index 0, you need to stop before you get to the number of elements in the array. I need to pop the odd ones at first. Oh, okay, I get you. Can only I be index? I think I need to do new array. Wait, I did do it. I did put new array. Hey, Zaku. So, I'm saying for all the even numbers, which are 0, 2, 4, 6, blah, 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 I'm saying push those babies into this new array. Incrementing by 2 will cut the time in half. Likely, Monkey King. Anything can be indexed. I is just generally used. True. No doubt. I feel like this is fantastic. I feel fantastic about this. Anyone need like more explanation as to why this works the way it does? Copy it again. And then we're gonna put it in here. Remove every other. You know, we're almost there. Remove every other. don't think I need this up in here because I don't in the public forum. Testing. Motherfucker, we awesome. We're fucking awesome. We did it. Wow. Yeah, look, they did the same thing y'all were saying. Array.filter function element index. Return the index mod 2 equals 0. Like, it makes sense. Obviously, it's a more efficient answer. I'm just freaking, like, proud of myself for getting an answer. Every day this week you've woken up thinking it's Friday. Finally about to be true. Bless. I don't know if I don't know. I was looking forward to Thursday because then I was streaming, so. It is this. Just like at arrows, you have to go from anon to arrow. This is you. Array.filter function item index. Yeah, that's what the first one that was written here was as well. Oh, I gave you the solution. Sorry. If you use most of that before the solution's JavaScript, then that will be the link. You hate loops? They're a bit... You know, I only ever use for loops. I don't quite understand while loops, honestly. So. Okay, now that we got that, let's go to my GitHub. Again, I recommend having your GitHub page bookmarked so you can just click that shit and then see if you got your green squares. Oh, we'll see. Allez. Remove every other new variable. Hey, it's me! Except they incremented by 2. It me. While loops will crash your page fast. I've never used while loops. What do you use them for? What is the situation in which you use them versus in a for loop? Thank you, rats. Hello. Okay, let's push it to this day, February 17th. Oh, I actually named it today, so let's rename it. February 17th, 2/17. Hey, Monkey King, thanks for following. Okay, cool. Nice. Very good. Alright. While is to keep running until something that can change on any loop occurs instead of when you know how many times you need to loop. Okay. Long-running loops, like game loops. When a condition is true, it performs a function. Use a for loop for a known number of iterations. You're watching the wall hack of Github? Hell yeah, you are. Use while loops when a certain condition persists. So, like, you don't know the answer, and that's why you use a while loop. Use while loops. You can't think of a good reason why. Lol. Okay. So, we're going to push this shit in the past. While stream is running, watch stream. Whereas a for would be like, for every time that stream is running, watch stream. More towards recursion. Ends with stream ends. While Rufio is streaming, do watch stream. Do while? Do while? Creates a loop that executes a specified statement until the test condition evaluates to false. The condition is evaluated after executing the statement. So like this would go like while I'm like streaming, right? And then when I stop streaming, it would stop executing. The condition is evaluated after executing the statement dead, resulting in the specified statement executing at least once. Alright, look at learning us. Us learning. Maybe just me, but I'm learning. Do. I've never seen do while. I've just seen while. Do while? Do while and while, are those different? For eat M&Ms is 1 to 10 eat M&Ms. Do solve a problem while having problems to solve. Solve at least one problem One runs at least once. Never seen it do well in the run. Wait, so how are they different again? One runs at least once, and that is the do while? Do while will run at least once, whereas while will not, and that's the only difference. While can stop on the first condition. Huh. While you have problems, solve problems. Hey, Cod, thanks for the follow. Will only run if you have problems. While checks the condition first before running. Do while runs first. And then checks the condition to see if it should keep going. Oh. From St. Google. While loop checks the condition first and then executes the statements, whereas a do while loop will execute the statements at least once. Then the condition is checked. Sounds like do while is good if you have an edge case. Probably. You got 99 problems to do. And do ain't one. In general, a while loop is used if you want an action to repeat itself until a certain condition is met, like an if statement. A for loop is used when you want to iterate through an object, like through an array. I actually hadn't heard of a do while loop before today. While, yes. Do while? Nah. Never use a do while except as a practice exercise. Okay. Well, alright. Do be willing. I do be willing to learn. While I am streaming, I do be willing to learn. Backwards. Okay. While. Get status. Oh dear. Alright. Clearly, I've done things a bit backwards. So I don't want any of those top three. So what I'm going to do is git add CC 2022 to 17. And now if we look, that is the only one that is staged. After string and learn time is over, pizza time begins. Fuck yeah. Oh my god, I want pizza. What kind though? Alfredo pizza. Alfredo pizza with feta cheese. We talked about this last time, but I'm still yum. I should drink water so I don't feel so hungry thinking about pizza. So y'all, who's gonna order pizza for us? What if we had a real in-life meetup one day and we had pizza? I love Hawaiian pizza except for the ham. I get rid of that. But fruit on pizza? Fuck yeah. Papa Murphy's after class. Just gotta make it to Arizona. I'll start driving. Okay, but have you tried any other fruit on pizza? I haven't. I'm kind of curious now. Okay. We get added. Yeah, we get add. So we're going to say git commit -m add coding challenge for 2/17/21/22. Alright, so that's committed. Then we're going to do, to push it in the past, we're going to do git commit --amend --date equals quotation marks 2022 0217 close quotation marks. Uh-oh, we in Vim now. Do escape and then click colon WQ enter. We out of that. Git push efficiency. Pineapple and bacon, like real bacon. See, I'm not like a huge bacon fan. I'm a vegetarian, so. You have Hawaiian pizza in your freezer? Blessed, that's great. Tomato, I'm kind of a tomato hater unless they're cooked. I just don't like the flavor. You decided to learn about API. Oh, we got ads up in here. Fuck. Rude. Oh, Rossi, can you hear me right now? So I tried to do that the other day, and it started doing wacky shit like, you gotta get pull first, and then it like got up in confusing territory. And so when I do it this way, this two-step way, it never does that to me, and so I prefer it. No ads on your end. Are olives fruit? Are olives fruit? Yes. Ew. You had it tell you to pull sometimes too, but then you just pulled and repush. And like I did that, but it seemed like an extra step anyway, you know? And then sometimes it would be weird as fuck. Hot sauce? Nah. Are ads over, y'all? If anyone got ads. Welcome back. Olives are fruit, Dan. You want to deal with Vim so you did it your way? Oh yeah, we can. We can... I'll just turn down your overall volume, because that's the only way I know how to do that, actually. Does... Here, wait a second. Tell me if this is too loud now. Okay, wait a second.
Wow.
Too loud? Yeah, I don't think you can skip it, apparently. Just soak them in brine just to make them edible. The olives? Mango on pizza sounds fucking bomb. Oh, the price. Oh. Hey, Vivid Explorer. Thanks for following. I can, but I don't think I can do it midstream. Wait. Hello. I can. On stream. Wait. Yes. What is a reasonable price? So, you know, ads like those are unblockable. Rude. It's for the future. Oh, I dropped time. Thank you. Put anything in the crisper drawer that's about to go bad. You know, I don't even know what a crisper drawer is for. What is a crisper drawer for? Very rhymey. Okay. For veggies? Yeah, so I don't do that. I don't actually know how to use my fridge. Bottles of beer to keep the moisture off the stuff in it. Huh. I don't know if I have a crisper drawer. I know I have some drawers on the bottom, but they don't say crisp or anything. Controls the humidity. Huh. Knowledge. Learning. Less condensation. A drawer with different humidity, usually the very bottom one. They kind of do, but it's not like a tight seal or anything. V-Demon. Also, we have no humidity where I live, so. Okay. Drink. Alright. Mushy drawers. My cheek is touching my mic. The hell? Hold up. That's weird. Okay. Smart. I was doing a thing. Oh, we wanted to see if it worked. So this is what I'm trying to make green. Holy shit, it beat green. Now, you want to hear how further to play the game? Sometimes it looks like you just push something every day, but like it kind of looks fake. So you gotta add some color variation in there. So sometimes you push multiple times a day. Oh, posture check. Alright. Am I vegetarian or vegan? You're vegan 99% of the time by default because your wife is and she does most of the cooking. I'm vegetarian because when I was vegan one year, like when I was 18, I'm 24 by the way, so it was like 6 years ago. It was just so fucking expensive, so hard for people to cook food for me. I had to make all the food. Hey Diego, thanks for follow. Yeah, you can, Dan. But like it was just hard to work with. Being a vegetarian, you just don't eat meat. That's about it. It's a lot easier for other people to feed you, etc. So, okay. So maybe we should push on October 8th again, because look, this looks sus, doesn't it? It does. The answer is yes. I'm feeling like a SpongeBob moment. I can't hear you! October 8th. I think that's in my Mega Summer Daily. I think so. Yeah. This whole operation is no sus. This changes everything. It doesn't look like I pushed things every day in retrospect. You decide not to have any green squares because you don't want any future employers to get any ideas that you will do anything on a Sunday other than being hungover. You know, smart actually. But I got like a perfectionist brain that's like, I need all the squares, you know, like, oh. So, that's me. But you can see the days I stream because those are actually, I like push those days. I believe I have a green square addiction. What do I do about it? My God. Just give a day or two just as well to throw them off your scent. But then it ruins the green. Also, I got lots of those right now. We're about to be on break, so we'll start another one next time. But I think that I'll have to send a bunch of y'all over to Leon before we're done with it, so just change the gray to green with the inspector tool. But then when I like obsessively check my GitHub later, it won't be green. Alright, break time. I don't know if I should run ads because y'all just got ads, but then I don't want you getting ads on like not break. Ooh, questions. Sure, I can. Just hack it, GitHub, and make everything dark green. Brilliant. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna roll some ads so that it's not a pain in the ass. I will, but only if you can hear me through ads. Okay, so we got a 1-minute ad going. Hopefully that will hold off the beasts for long enough. Damn it. The earliest date you can fake green squares at? Probably they are running. Pain in the ads. I don't know. I don't know, Rascal. I feel like probably any date, really. VD, did you get him? Because it should be running right now. Yeet. The sub, no ads. Brilliant. Thank you for the sub. Cool. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now y'all should be back, and we hopefully shouldn't have ads for a while. That's me glaring at my little thing. Still ads? Got the lamest ads you've ever seen. What were they? They weren't Billie Eilish in a rainstorm. Still ads? Oh shit, so it didn't work. Papa John's at. Don't they know we're Domino's fans? The disgrace. S6, what up? Hell yeah. You will sub so you have to verify all these green squares now. Alright. Anyone have a parrot video they want to watch? You got Squarespace? Nice, nice. Do you want to call my advertisers by names, but they are so stupid. You know, I think they will be offended. I think they'll be offended when I tell them that. Because I know who they are. Well, this is apparently adorable. Should we watch it? Still ads? Motherfucker. It was only supposed to be a minute long. Oh, the song. That makes sense why that would be stupid. The parrot theme came to be because I'm obsessed with parrots and I just brought it into the channel, so. You only got a minute. What's prasinophobia? Hello, one. Alright. Okay. Turning it up.
I want all the dogs
I have
get in
to
their
listen, but I
cage.
like it.
All the dogs get in the cage. Thor, get in your cage. Loki, get in your cage. Milo, get in your cage. All the dogs get in their fucking cage. All the dogs get in their fucking cage. Dog cage song. Hey, dog get a treat. Dog get a treat. Black dog get a treat. Black dog get a treat. Picking the bird on your hand. The bird running, he the man. Dogs get in the cage. Hey, you in your cage. Hey, Milo's in his cage. Hey, Loki, where you going? Get the hell in your cage. Hey, go in your cage. Thank you, Loki. All dogs in that cage. One person left. He the worst one. He always trying to run. Oh my goodness. Get in your cage. Get in your cage. Hey, get in your cage. Get in your cage. Get in your cage. Do the cage dance. Do the cage dance. Hey, do the cage dance. Hey.
I love that one. I feel like I spend way too long waiting for it to like happen, but I love it. I'm pretty good, Muhammad. How are you? Get. Have you seen that parrot gif where the parrot... Stefan, thanks for the follow. I had to really squint at that. Where the parrot asks, what the fuck is this? I have not. What is it? Share it, please. Bird thing is pop. Bird's like, yeah, in my cage. That's true, it is. Wait, what is prasinophobia? Is it like... I don't know, I did that once and then I got that phobia, and so I'm kind of like... I don't know how my mom's doing. I haven't really talked to her. I probably should. The fear of the color green. Oh, indeed it is. Forgot whatever you Googled? Yeah, true. Let's see it. I love you. That's fantastic. This is a Senegal. They're pretty chill, I hear. Alright. That's fantastic. Party monster parrot? Wait, what's that? Get in your cage. Alright, we gotta start another one before people have to go. Anyone have another one they want to do? I feel like I just spoke really fast. Anyone have another one they want to do? Yes. I think I can say it faster. But I'm not pronouncing it very well. 9 more minutes. Scream! Oldest, bruh. Get in your cage. Get in your cage. Get in your cage. Do the cage dance. 8Q. We are going to raid into Leon. So what we're going to do today is for everyone who needs to go to Leon's stream, I'm going to throw us all over there. I'll be there for like a minute or two. Hey, Diablo, thanks for the follow. And then I'm gonna come and start streaming again, okay? Yeah, I'm totally part of Birds Aren't Real. I think it's hilarious. So, just as an FYI, if you want to keep hanging out with me afterwards, we're gonna work on my 100 hours project. But if not, you can hang out with Leon. Whatever you want to do. You do you, boo. Do the cage dance. He the worst one. Team Rufio, hell yeah. When Leon talked about 8Q, he thought he was saying something like 8Q. Thanks for hanging out, Kamo. I appreciate you. Appreciate all y'all. Convert. I remember we did this one, but after Leon stream, I will stream. Yeah, so just because I want to raid and send everyone over there, and I can't figure out how to do that while also still streaming, so we're gonna end stream there, and then I'm gonna come back on. My project is an online talking dictionary for a Native American language. Appreciate y'all. Ooh, great. Hack the system. Green squares for everyone. Palindrome. A palindrome is a word, phrase, number, or other sequence of characters. Man, I don't know if we're gonna have enough time to do this. Y'all wanna like shoot the shit for a couple minutes, or should we like... We did this on a stream? Taco Cat? Fuck yeah, chill. YouTube? We could do YouTube. How much did I know about coding during the beginning of last cohort? Nothing. Knew nothing. Didn't even know where coding happened on a computer. I was like, where does it happen? And then I learned about text editors, and I was like, I get you. Maybe we'll just shoot the shit a little bit. We can YouTube. We can chat. What is it? I hope y'all, if you ever see bird videos, I hope that you save them for me so we can watch them. Wait a second. I'll turn up the music. Teach me how to panda? I don't know that one.
Estamos de fiesta con Jesús, al cielo queremos ir, y todos reunidos en la mesa, es Cristo el que va a servir. Estamos de fiesta con Jesús, al cielo queremos ir, y todos reunidos en la mesa, es Cristo el que va a servir.
I love it. I love how birds just like feel the beat. Also, I feel the beat. I'll like, if I hear music, I'll just start like, and it's subconscious. Have I done harder cues? Yeah. Oh, your homework is 7Q? We'll do 7Q next time. I'm on 7Q. They're really hard for me. But the reason I did 8Q is because y'all were apparently on 8Q, so. Snatch a hawk off a cliff nest. Wait, which one should I watch first? Chatties or S6s? Both? Chatties.
Hey, hey, teach me how to dug it, hey. They be like, smooth, what? Can you teach me how to dug it? You know why? Cause all the bitches love me. Hey, all I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. And for you to back it up and dump it. Get it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that Dougie ride.
We did Codewars, I just suck at them.
With my bro from Morningside, he go by Bubba and he hit that dance like thunder. Okay, I ain't from Dallas, but I deep town boogie. I show my moves off to everybody trying to do me. I lead the functions and all the ladies trying to screw me. Now you just do you, and I'ma do me. Niggas love to hate, so they try to screw me. Bitches be stuck to me. I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright when it started blooming. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
Hey,
Teach me how to
Born
Dougie. Teach me how
How
to
much? We're
Dougie.
just watching this
Teach me how to
bomb
Dougie.
panda
Teach
video.
me, teach me how to Dougie.
All my bitches love me.
Fantastic.
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
The name is Young. For them dudes who don't know me, I know I'm from the West, but I can teach you how to Dougie. I step up in the club and all these bitches bug me. On a nigga dancing, none of them know me. I hear the squad scream like, hey, get it, Brody.
Oh, you're right. I'll have to mute it out or whatever. Maybe. But you know, I did it in the past where it was Monster. Do you remember that video with the bird? And it didn't do that to me, so. My bitches love me. Oh my god, wait. For a second I thought I had my desktop audio muted. I was like, did you just watch that with no music? Wait, what's the suspect word? I'm not afraid of heights. I canyoneer. I love canyoneering. Oh, wait a second. Slowly. I would like to do this someday. Woo! Bird! Uh-oh, is the bird dead? Please don't be dead. Wait, is it dead? Oh my god! No, what's up there? I think it's caught. Oh my god! Ow, baby!
Тяжелая. Сука.
Ah!
Тварь.
I'm like way more concerned about this bird than I am this human, I'll be honest with you.
Ребят, я падаю на запаске, мне нужна помощь. В меня влетел орел, мне сложил весь параплан.
Baby! Will everything be okay for our bird? It wasn't trying to do that. It's trying to live. It's in the cords. Bird gonna be okay? I guess the man too, but like the bird! Wait a minute. Ow, the bird!
Жив, цел. Жив, цел, орел.
Oh my god!
Фух,
Save it! Save it! Save it! Please save it! Is it okay? Yo, save the fucking bird! I guess it's survived life or death or whatever, but still. Please? Please save the bird. Does he save the bird?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
Ah, flies
I'm
off of them.
okay.
He's okay apparently. Is the bird okay? Ooh, I have to, I think my pulse picked up a little there. The bird. He cooks it. Nah. Hey, Bambi, I'm gonna send y'all over there in like a second. I probably should send you over there now, even though this is.
Ну что, пойдем пешком?
Oh my god, it's long.
Я тут в лесу глубоко и далеко. Блять, он еще и вниз рвется, гондон крылатый.
Winged con. Dude. Bird, baby. I'm going to raid Leon. Send everyone over there. Okay. He probably cuts it out. I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna send y'all over there, but thank you. Alright, y'all. I know you gotta go to class, so. Thanks for the follow, Dan. I'll be back, y'all, in like a minute or two, okay? On my channel. Let's go raid Leon.
Right? And so we'll see it in class, especially as we start getting in the back end